Okay, welcome to this video. If you've got a jiggly kitchen faucet handle like this, we are going to try to help you out. This one you can see definitely is wiggly, and it also doesn't seal super well. You can see there's a little drip there. You got to get it just right and use quite a bit of pressure. So we're going to take this baby apart and see what's going on. You can see there's a little Allen wrench, or take an Allen wrench, a little hex nut in there. So we're going to get the proper Allen wrench to back out that little hex nut. Obviously, your situation might be different. You're going to have to look around and see what you're dealing with and where it is, if it even has one. Maybe there's a different system. Get out the instructions for your particular faucet make and model and read those really well. But this might indeed be a part of the solution for you. So when you back that out a little bit, and what you're seeing me do there is actually tighten it up to see if that solved the problem, but it didn't. So there's something else going on. All right, so let's see what's going on. I'm going to back that all the way out, and let's look inside the actual handle. We've got the place where the set screw goes, and this is where you put the handle. It actually sits atop this little vertical metal piece. And there's some notches in the metal piece, and if you look under there, you can see there's a way that it should be oriented. So what I found was that it was not seated correctly to begin with. At least that's my theory. And as you kind of rotate it, you can feel it kind of gently click into the groove where it should sit. So that's kind of the proper position of it. So I need to get that set screw in there, back in there. Here it is. And please, if you're going to do this, if there's a set screw involved, make sure you cover up the drain. If you drop this thing, good luck trying to get it back out. So we're going to set that set screw in and gently get it started with the Allen wrench. There we go. And then I'm going to turn it so that it sits into that groove on that metal vertical piece that we saw earlier. And then I'll use this end of the Allen wrench to tighten it because the angle's a little awkward, right? How do you access that well? So let me put the camera at a different angle because I need two hands so that that handle does not go back and revert to its original position out of alignment. So I'm going to hold it steady with my right hand, and then my left hand I will carefully tighten down that hex screw all the way. Hand tighten that, so that it's tightened in its original correct position, if that makes sense. All right, so with that completely tightened, you can see the wiggle has gone out of it, and look at that, no seal, or the seal is good, so there's no drip when you close it. And that is how I solved this problem. Hopefully that's helped you out. Thanks for being with me.